Hi all, in today's video I will discuss how to use AWS Code Whisperer. So AWS Code Whisperer is an AI tool which can generate the code based on the comments. So in today's demo I will demo using the Node.js application. I will generate a Node.js application, and to generate that particular application I will take help from the code whisperer. So I have already set up a project, and we just have a package.json file and few dependency. I added these dependency, and for my application I have entry point as an index.js. So let me start creating that particular index.js file. Okay, and basically I will create a very simple application. That application will have, like, I will perform a CRUD operation in that particular application. So so for that I have to create few folders. I will just create more models and the routing. Okay, this particular will be very simple project. So let me start with that particular thing. I will create first of all src folder. Under that src folder I will have models folder. Okay, just click outside, it will create src folder, and I just have to create one more folder under the src, that is router and routers. Okay, so you can see I have to folder on the src. So let me start with the particular index.js application. I have already comments with me. I will just paste those comment here, and hit this particular magent code whisper will generate code based on those comments. Okay, you can see it's suggested me some code. I will just, I can ask for some suggestion and new suggestion, just entering the next key. Okay, to me seems like this is more better. Okay, I will just accept this particular suggestion using the tab key. I will just click on tab key. It will accept that those suggestion, and what I will do, I will enter again. Okay, if I entering, it will also give me some suggestion. If you see here, it is loading again. So let me click on tab key, and that particular tab key click will accept those code. So here if you see, I have already uh, database connection is already done, and I just have to, I have to set up some middleware. So if I click on enter, it will give me some more suggestions, so I just accept those suggestions and then click on enter again. It will give me some more suggestion. Okay, it will complete the code, and I just hit enter again, and it's giving me some more suggestion. Okay. um, so just asking, like, should I, it's giving me some comments as well. Okay, if I click on enter, it will use the course, or it will enable the course as well. Let me show this particular code, then again I will enter again, and this it will give me some more suggestion. Okay, so I just okay, it giving me this suggestion, but I just have different endpoint, so I will modify that. Let me accept this one first. Okay, and then click on next. So now that start server section will start. Okay, let me click on tab key, then enter. It will listen a particular port. That's how it's just set up my index.js file. Okay, so few things I can modify here. Like in my case, I just have a endpoint. I'm not going to use this user endpoint. I will have item endpoint, and that particular item endpoint, it's giving me some suggestion like in this way. So I can accept those suggestions as well, and I can remove rest of the things here. Okay, okay. So I will just keep this API only, not item. And under the routes, I will just have items, item. Okay, and let me create models. Okay, next I will just create the models for items. So let me create item.js file. Okay, and in this one I will write the comments, and based on comment it will create the schema for that item. So I have already prepared my comments, and I will just paste those comments here. So create a model for item with name and description. Okay, I will just have to property in item schema, and name is a string, and that is required one. Description also a string, and that is optional. So I have shared this comment, and then I will just click on enter again. It will take some time, and it will give me some suggestions. So I think I have to change my comment. Just and looking for me. So here it is suggested me some code, but that is not, all the things are not required. So what I will do, I will just accept those code and will remove the unnecessary code. These are the unnecessary code which I will remove from here. Okay, and then next I will click on the enter and click on tab, that will accept the suggested code. Then click on enter. Let's export the particular schema. Okay, so this is how I have created these item schema. Okay, and next I will create the routers. Okay, so I have item router.js. I will just paste a comment here, and that will suggest based on that particular. Let me paste here that particular comment, and let me save. And once I save, let me click here and then enter. Once you enter, after comments, it will start looking for the code suggestion. I don't think it is not suggesting correctly, and that should not be. Okay, so I will write the define routes for create item brand. Okay, so it's giving me this particular suggestion. Okay, I will just accept that suggestion. Okay, uh, okay, same comments, but that's I have to write in different way. Okay, so let me enter here. It will suggest me remaining code as well. So let me click on the tab will accept the suggested code. Okay, and let me enter again. Okay, and that will import the models, and then click on enter. I don't think we need both one, so I can just remove this particular suggestion. Again, I can just click on the next one. Okay, let me save this one and then click on enter. So it will create item for me. Okay, we have this routers. Okay, I just click on the tab and then click on the enter. It will suggest me remaining code as well. So here we are also using the express validator that will validate my input parameter. I have mentioned like validate name parameter. It should not be empty. So here this that validation will get applied. So I just enter and then click on okay. Sometimes it's not work. You just have to save then enter. Okay. So I just click on tab, then save, then enter. So after you can say so description is not empty. I can use this one or I can skip this one as well. Okay, let me click on enter and then this one. This is optional one. I don't think we need this one. Basically, we can remove as well. Okay, and what I will do, I will just show this one and click here and then enter. So it will suggest me remaining code as well. Okay, okay, and then save, then enter. So enter again. So I will enter again. So basically it work, save, then enter. Okay, so then enter, save, then enter, tape, save, enter. So I will just click on tab and save, then enter. So if not empty, create the items as written the error. So I will just click here and okay, what I can do for it. So yeah, I don't think we need this particular thing here. Basically, it's already done. Okay, you see this one. These are the things which we was written in comment. So we have successfully uh, generate this particular. create item, and then we also have get all items. Okay, what I will do, I will just save this one and then click here and then enter. So it will suggest me the remaining for this particular endpoint as well. Okay, just tab and then enter. Okay, get item by ID. Okay, just enter there. Okay, so it's also created get by item ID, and I just click on enter again, update item by ID. These all the things we have already written at top in our comments, so that's why. And also mention like before each section or each router, it should have some that comment. So that's why it's suggesting some comments here. I'm just accepting those comments and entering. Okay, so it's just generating the code based on our suggestion. So what I did is just click on tab and then save, then enter. It will also suggest the remaining code as well. Okay, okay, in this way it's update by ID also done. Sorry. So once enter again, it will generate the code for delete by item. Okay, I don't think we need this one. Basically, let's just I accept this. Don't go. Okay, delete, and I can also add like delete all item, delete all items, and then click enter. It will generate the code for delete all item router, and just enter code. This is how it's generated the code routing. So basically, this is the very basic application again. I have generated this particular entire basic application using the code whisper. So you can see it's very helpful, and yeah, it can be used by developer. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel so that can motivate me and I can bring such good resources to the community. Thank you for watching.